Hello everyone, welcome again to GISE Pathshala. So friends, today we are going to start our chapter number 4, that is practical geometry. So in this we have to draw the different shapes using the scale, compass and the pencil. So we have to draw the different shapes. Okay, so let me start our exercise number 1. So here it is given that constructing a quadrilateral, we have to draw the quadrilateral which when 4 sides and 1 diagonals are given, when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, means different parameters are given, and from these different parameters we have to draw the different quadrilateral or different shapes. Okay, so friends, please be ready with your pencil, compass, scale and everything. Let me start our chapter construction. Okay, so here our exercise number 4.1, construct the following quadrilateral. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrilaterals are given. So from these 4 I will draw the 1 and 3rd. These two you have to draw it by yourself. I will just guide you a basic, I will give you some basic instruction how to draw these quadrilaterals. So let me start from first. So here quadrilateral ABCD. So friends, AB 4.5 centimeter, BC 5.5, CD 4 centimeter, AD means 6 centimeter, and AC A and C. So AC is not a continuous, so it's a diagonal. So we have to consider AC is equal to 7 centimeter. It's a diagonal. Okay, so let me draw the graph how to draw the quadrilateral. So here I just wrote the all parameters. First of all we have to draw the AC. First of all we have to draw the diagonal. AC 7 centimeter with the help of scale. Then give the name A and C. Now here upside any point B is there. So take A as a center and place the arc of AB is equal to 4.5. So draw the arc of 4.5 centimeter. Then C as a center, BC. So BC is 4.5. So take your compass and draw the arc of 5.5 centimeter. Whenever both arcs are intersect, give the name B and connect it with A and C. Same process you have to do downside. Okay, so this way you have to draw the quadrilateral ABCD. Now whatever things we just do it, draw step by step. This all step we have to write. Draw the line segment AC of 7 centimeter, line segment AC 7. Then AB is equal to 4.5. Here it is given in the question AB is equal to 4.5. So take A as the center and draw the arc of 4.5 centimeter. A as the center, the arc of 4.5 centimeter. Then BC, CB is given. BC is given 5.5. So CB is 5.5. So take C as a center and draw the arc of 5.5 centimeter. Then whenever name B where both arc intersect, जहाँ पे दोनों आर्क इंटरसेक्ट होते हैं उसको नाम दे दो B. Then next page joint AB and BC उसको connect कर दो. Then A as a center and draw the arc of 6 centimeter downside. Draw C as a center and draw the arc of 4 centimeter downside. Give the name D when both arc intersect. So our quadrilateral ABCD is ready now. So this way you have to draw the quadrilateral. You have to write down the points. Okay. So question number 3 is a parallelogram MORE where OR is given 6 centimeter, RE is given 4.5 and EO is equal to 7.5. OR means OR is a side, RE is also a side, and EO is a diagonal. So first of all parallelogram, so we will draw the side OR is equal to 6 centimeter. So I am drawing OR is equal to 6 centimeter. It's or OR 6 centimeter. Now the next step, draw the arc of, here we having the diagonal OE is 7.5. OE is there, so OE, so measure 7.5. So it's a 7.5. So draw the arc of 7.5. It's an arc of 7.5. Now RE is given, RE is given 4.5. So 4.5, you take the measurement of 4.5 and draw the arc R as a center. So this point, whenever both arcs intersect, give the name E. So it's ready now. Connect RE OE. So friends, we know that in the characteristics of the parallelogram, both the diagonals are same, opposite sides are also same and parallel. So this one is 6 centimeters, so this side is also 6 centimeters. So I just take the scale, take E as a center and draw the arc of 6 centimeters. Okay, so it is a 6 centimeter. Draw the arc of 6 centimeter. Now this one RE is 4.5 centimeter. So OM is also, this side is also 4.5 centimeter. So take the scale and measure 4.5 centimeter and draw the arc of 4.5 centimeter. Now just connect it. So it is our parallelogram. Give the name M. So MORE. Parallelogram is ready. Now we have to write down the points. So let me write down the points. First of all, draw OR is equal to 6 centimeters. Next point, draw an arc of 7.5 centimeter and O as a center. Draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter, R as a center. Name E, where both arc intersect. Okay, now opposite sides are same. Draw arc of 6 centimeter, E as a center, and same, draw arc of 4.5 centimeter, O as center. Joint MO and ME. So here our parallelogram is ready. So this way you have to write down the points in your own words. Also you can write the points. Okay, so here total 4 questions are there. 1 and 3 both are done by me. So 2 is a quadrilateral, same as a ABCD. So quadrilateral JUMP, that you have to do it by yourself. And this is the rhombus, BEST. So we should know the characteristic of the rhombus, properties of the rhombus. All the sides are same. Then other properties, both diagonals are same or not, both diagonals are intersect, bisect, both diagonals are intersect at right angle or not. Everything you just learn or you just see in the previous, and you can draw this both properly. So complete these 4 questions today itself. So it is our exercise only for 4 questions, and send the photographs to me today itself before 6 o'clock. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.